Hello guys, welcome to Spark Tech Academy channel. Today we will be dealing with the basic concept of electric field because already we have studied capacitor, but many people raise the questions regarding what is electric field and why the energy is stored in electric field in capacitor, how the energy is stored, and what are the characteristics or important points about the electric field. Now, as we have already gone through this expression in physics also, the electric field due to point charge or a basic electric field. Basic electric field is nothing but a force per unit charge, because whenever a kind of charge is applied to a body, means this is a charge actually. When electric supply or electric current flows through any point, a charge is accumulated and this charge will create an electric field across it. This is nothing but the electric field which is been established. This electric field is established by this charge, and electric field is nothing but a space around the charge having a stress or force which will move other charge when come in its area of diameter distance d or a distance d. When other charge is placed in this electric field, let it be a charge a, let it be a other body B. When it comes in contact with this electric field, this charge, it will reflect, it will attract, actually it will attract or oppose the charge. When it comes in contact with charge A, it will depend on type of polarity being established in between that, because when like poles are there, means when these are positive charges, means let it be A, this let it be B. If it is positive, this will repel each other, repel each other. And if the charges are negative, then it will, negative and positive, it will attract each other. This is given by actually Coulomb's law. Coulomb's first law. Go through the Coulomb's first law. There they have given that like charges repel each other and unlike charges attract each other. That's why these are, this is negative and positive, it will attract each other. The positive charges will repel each other, or even if these both are negative, this will repel each other. In some cases this will be positive, this will be negative, this will attract each other. Same way, I have explained you in very simple language the electric field, what actually the electric field is. It is nothing but a space around a charge, which has some sort of stress or force, means a kind of energy which is present over here around the charge. That energy will either attract or repel the other particle or other charge, means other conducting body, in order to make it chargeable, or some kind of charge will be deposited on it. If it is positive here, if it is positive charge, it will develop here the positive charge, and due to these both charges are positive, it will repel each other. When this charge becomes negative, and here if it is still positive, then this will attract. Now there are few points which you should note down. Electric field is nothing but a force per unit charge. That's why its unit is in Newton per coulomb. Force is denoted with unit Newton and charge is denoted with coulomb. Now here again one thing which I have told you, the electric field intensity is a kind of voltage or a potential difference per unit distance. That's why you can also take its unit as volt per meter. As per applications, as per applications its definition will change, means Newton per coulomb or volt per meter. Now electric field due to point charge. Now these are 2 points, you see, these are 2 points, these are two charges which are separated by a distance r. Here these are separated by a distance r. These are q is the charge, it is nothing but a distance r, and k is nothing but a constant. This constant is derived in same way. K is nothing but 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 epsilon r. Epsilon 0 is nothing but a free space permittivity or air, permittivity of air. You can take its value as 8.854 into 10 raised to minus 12 farad per meter, and this is substituted here, and then we calculate it as 9 into 10 raised to 9 divided by epsilon r. Epsilon r is nothing but the relative permittivity, or you can say dielectric permittivity, dielectric or any insulation permittivity. This is nothing but the expression of electric field due to point charges. Now most important thing is that if you look after this figure, you will come to know that these charges are flowing from positive to negative, means these lines, these are nothing but lines of forces in electric field. These lines actually start from positive and ends at negative. This point is explained here, means it is mentioned here because it is a kind of characteristics of electric field. The lines of electric field, how they act, actually they never intersect each other. Here from this figure, if you look it, these are flowing in parallel direction, means these are emitting from positive ending at negative, but these are not intersecting each other. What is intersection? Intersection is nothing but when these crosses each other, is invalid condition. Intersection of lines of force, you can say, this is not allowed. This is not allowed at all. And more electric charge density, more stronger the field is. Electric charge density. Now the electric charge density is nothing but sigma, you can say, here I will write it as sigma is equal to phi divided by E. It is nothing but a flux or charge per unit. It is nothing but a Q, actually not flux. This is the charge Q per unit area. Sigma is nothing but charge Q per unit area. Q is nothing but coulomb. This is nothing but meter square. Coulomb per meter square is unit of charge density. And tangent at any point gives the direction of field. Already explained, when any kind of tangent is drawn across it, a tangent is nothing but a line touching, tangent drawn to the line of force, you can say. This is nothing but the tangent to the line of force. These are the lines of force, you can see. Please note down it. Thank you for watching eSpark Tech Academy. Just now I have told you the electric field intensity, then electric field due to point charge, how these lines are means characteristics of lines, electric field lines. This is nothing but a small derivation, how we have calculated this 9 into 10 raised to 9 parameter, the constant parameter. This also I have derived you, because many times student ask the question why this 9 into 10 raised to 9 is taken, from where it came. It is nothing but when 1 upon 4 pi into 8.854 into 10 raised to minus 12, this whole figure comes out to be 9 into 10 raised to 9. This is kept in same way, and it is just resubstituted in this formula, and we have written this. Never intersect. This is nothing but the tangents. Thank you very much.